Imagine spending quality time with family and friends in the backyard, watching your favorite shows or playing games on a screen that's actually designed for great outdoor viewing. That's what makes the Sylvox 65-inch outdoor such a game changer. It's not just any smart TV, but an outdoor weatherproof one that can withstand the elements while delivering stunning picture quality. Equipped with Sylvox's 5th-generation high-performance LED panel, this TV boasts 4K Ultra HD resolution and 700 nits of brightness, perfect for unwinding after a long day. But it's not just about the screen, it's also about the whole experience. The Sylvox 65-inch outdoor features IP56 waterproofing, an IP66 waterproof remote, mist resistance, sunproof design, high brightness, and anti-scratch body. That means you can enjoy your TV in the rain or shine without worrying about damaging it. And with waterproof speakers, you can take the party outside. Now, let's talk about what really sets this TV apart. The optimized Sylvox Google TV system is lightning fast and stable, allowing you to download your favorite apps, games, social media, and more in seconds. You'll be able to stay connected and entertained all day long without any interruptions or lag. But here's the thing, with great power comes great responsibility. You could spend hours trying to find the perfect outdoor TV, only to end up disappointed by a product that doesn't quite live up to its promise. But not with the Sylvox 65-inch outdoor. This TV is designed specifically for outdoor entertainment, and it delivers. Save long-term with a healthier lifestyle by spending more time outdoors. And when you do, your new Sylvox TV will be right there beside you, transforming your backyard into a comfortable outdoor living space that brings joy to your family and friends. The Sylvox 65-inch outdoor also features an intuitive user interface with seamless navigation and personalized content recommendations. This means you can discover shows tailored to your interests, all from the comfort of your own backyard. But don't just take my word for it, once people try this TV, they stop reaching for their old one. They're hooked on the stunning picture quality, the powerful sound, and the convenience of having a high-tech TV that's designed specifically for outdoor use. So why wait? Check out the Sylvox 65-inch outdoor today and experience the ultimate in outdoor entertainment. Get ready to spend more time with the people you love, in the place where memories are made, your backyard.